Looking for the perfect plants for your Xeriscape garden? Xeriscaping is a smart and sustainable approach to gardening that celebrates drought-tolerant plants, saving water, and reducing maintenance. Today we bring you the top 5 drought-tolerant succulents that are perfect for your Xeriscape garden. First on our list is the hardy Sedum. This robust succulent thrives in dry conditions, making it a star player in any Xeriscape garden. Easy to care for, Sedum boasts attractive foliage and blooms. With its attractive foliage and blooms, Sedum adds a touch of color to your Xeriscape garden. Next up is the versatile Agave. This robust succulent is a champion in arid conditions, boasting an impressive resilience to drought. Its ability to store water in its thick leaves is truly remarkable. Their distinct rosette shape and spiky leaves make Agave a striking addition to any Xeriscape garden. Moving on to our third and fourth picks, we have the elegant Echeveria and the classic Aloe Vera. The Echeveria, with its rosette shape and vibrant colors, is not only a drought-tolerant champ but also a visual treat. On the other hand, Aloe Vera, known for its medicinal properties, is a rugged beauty that thrives in dry conditions. It's a classic pick for any Xeriscape garden. Both these succulents bring a unique charm to your Xeriscape garden with their varied textures and colors. Last but not least, we present the unique Lithops. An unusual succulent, Lithops mimics the appearance of pebbles and rocks. Thriving in extreme dry conditions, its intriguing look is bound to captivate. Also known as living stones, Lithops serve as an interesting conversation piece in your Xeriscape garden. So there you have it, our top 5 drought-tolerant succulents for your Xeriscape garden. From the hardy Sedum, versatile Agave, elegant Echeveria, classic Aloe Vera, to the unique Lithops, each brings unique beauty and resilience to your garden. These succulents not only thrive under challenging conditions, but also add an eye-catching aesthetic. Remember, your garden is a canvas, and these drought-tolerant succulents are your vibrant palette. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy Xeriscaping!